exploring the roots and connections of Oriental and Oriented. Both Oriental and Oriented come from the same root, the Latin word oriens, which means rising or east, referring to the direction where the sun rises. In ancient times, people often used the east as a natural reference point for determining direction. From this, the word orient came to mean to align or to find one's direction. Oriental keeps the original meaning of Eastern and refers to things or cultures from the East. Oriented evolved from the verb orient and means directed toward or focused on, reflecting the idea of aligning or adjusting toward a specific goal or direction. The link between the two words is the concept of finding or defining a direction, which was historically rooted in looking toward the east as a guiding point. Understanding this shared origin makes it easier to remember how these words are connected. Examples, sentences. The museum displayed a beautiful collection of Oriental art, including Chinese pottery and Japanese scrolls. She has a keen interest in Oriental philosophy, particularly the teachings of Confucius and Laozi. The company has shifted to a more customer-oriented approach to improve satisfaction. Her career choices have always been goal-oriented, focusing on long-term success. This shared origin not only explains the relationship between Oriental and Oriented, but it also extends to a family of related words that revolve around the ideas of direction, alignment, and cultural regions. Here are some key terms derived from the same root. Oriens, along with their meanings and examples. Derived terms. 1. Orient, verb, to align or position something in a particular direction. Example: she oriented the map toward north to find her way. Noun, refers to the east, especially regions of Asia. Example: the delicate fabrics were imported from the Orient. 2. Orientation, describes the direction, alignment, or focus of something or someone. Example: the company offers a new employee orientation to help them settle in. It can also refer to personal identity, such as sexual orientation. Example: discussions about diversity include understanding different sexual orientations. 3. Disoriented, describes a state of confusion or being unable to find one's way. Example: after waking up in the dark hotel room, I felt disoriented and couldn't tell where the door was. 4. Occidental, refers to the West or things related to Western culture as the opposite of Oriental. Example: the artwork showed a blend of Oriental and Occidental styles. 5. Orientalist, a person who studies Eastern cultures, languages, and histories. Example: the Orientalists spent years researching ancient Chinese literature. 6. Reorient, to change direction or readjust focus. Example: after failing the exam, she decided to reorient her study strategy to focus on her weak subjects. These words all share a connection to direction or cultural regions due to their roots in oriens, the east or sunrise. By exploring these words and their shared origins, we can better grasp how language evolves to reflect cultural and directional concepts. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.